Today's vehicles contain parts and features to support the well-being of passengers, such as crash safety and noise mitigation. We will share the benefits of Sika's Reinforcer technology when building these vehicles. SikaReinforcer is a heat-reactive foam epoxy material that can be used to improve vehicle structure dynamics as well as NVH characteristics. This material is used with our Sika structure carriers to reinforce the vehicle body structure as well as reduce noise and vibration harshness for the passengers. These carriers are placed in certain parts of the vehicle body to help spread impact energy loads. This can help to prevent deformation of the vehicle body in the event of a collision. Our carriers are manufactured in a variety of different shapes and sizes. These examples are computer-designed parts specifically made to fit within tight cavities of your vehicle. Let's do a quick test to show the structural capabilities of SikaReinforcer. For this example, we have two gutter downspouts. One downspout has been internally encased with SikaReinforcer, while the other has been left empty. We will then step on each downspout to see the difference in the support structure's functions. We can see that the downspout encased with SikaReinforcer can hold a significant amount of weight. We will now see how the empty downspout holds up with the same demonstration. With just a single step, the empty downspout crushes with ease. Utilizing SikaReinforcer can allow the possibility of using thinner metal within the vehicle's structural design, all without sacrificing any reinforcement properties. Before we go, did you know that over 70,000 tons of steel can be saved annually through the use of SikaReinforcer? When it comes to automotive solutions and technologies, go beyond the expected. Start with Sika.